Create the lifestyle and home of your dreams in Athens' newest development, Spartan Estates. With an Athens address in Oconee County, this community offers unrivaled convenience with access to award-winning schools. Exquisite homes will be built on lots ranging from 0.8 to 2.5 acres. Nestled amongst mature hardwoods and gently rolling hills, lots provide privacy and tranquility. Spartan Estates, where beauty and convenience come together to create a community that will captivate you. Reward yourself with the extraordinary lifestyle you deserve.